Today we're going to look at creating your own custom thumbnails for when you upload your own videos. Now, a custom thumbnail has been proven to improve your click-through rate, and that means people are more likely to watch your video when you upload it to YouTube. Now, as you can see, I've just put in a random search term for custom thumbnails, and it's come up with a bunch of videos all with custom thumbnails. When someone lands on YouTube and they type in a search term, they often look at the picture before they read the title, and that's why it's extremely important to have your own thumbnail. So I'm going to show you how you can create these thumbnails completely for free. If we scroll down the page, you can see all these different styles, and let me give you an example of a good thumbnail. Okay, so this one here is absolutely perfect. It's by Daryl Eves. But as you can see, you can read the text perfectly. How to change your YouTube video thumbnail. So that is an excellent looking thumbnail. Sometimes people make them, they're hard to read, but you need to make it extremely clear for it to be effective and for it to grab people's attention. Okay, so to create your thumbnail, we're going to use a thumbnail creator, a generator, so you don't need any design experience or graphic design experience, and it is using the same platform we use to create our channel cover. So if we go over to Tube Tracker, if you signed up, you still have an account, so just go to graphics and then go to video graphics. Now what this software actually allows you to do is create any kind of buttons or images that you want, and we're going to use this generator to actually create our thumbnails. So you can upload your own image and you can put in your own text, and there's many different ways that you can do this if you have specific images you want to put over the top. So let's say, for example, we pretend that we're using this image here. The first thing we want to do is have a big title so people can actually see what we're doing. So we're going to click on text, we're going to click on add text, and as you can see, your text has appeared up here. I'm going to drag it down a little bit. And it's quite dark, so it's quite hard to see. So we're going to change this font. We're going to make it into something nice and big and bold. Okay, your text. And we're going to drag it over. Anyway, as you can tell, it's extremely easy to use. You just double click, type in whatever you want to put in, and you can also change the size. So if I wanted to make this a lot bigger, we can do that. You can make it a lot smaller, you can center it, you can literally do anything you want, and it's really simple to use. So this is the fastest and most effective way to create your own video thumbnails. And I'm going to put in a background image. So let's find a shape. If we click down here, we can find a shape that has been added in. Now I'm going to drag that down here so it goes to the bottom. Drag it all the way over to the side, and I'm going to send that to the back of the image. I'm going to select my text. I'm going to change the text color to white up here, and now I'm going to change this background color, so I'm going to make it slightly opacity so it stands out a bit more. And obviously you put in your headline down here, so your headline goes here. Then you adjust the size to make it fit in, and you have an awesome headline with an image that you want to use. And you can also put in your own images, you can upload your own images, you can change the colour, the opacity, you can push things back and forward in the image. It is very flexible in how to use it. So once you've created your thumbnail, all you need to do is click on the download button. Then you go into your video manager on YouTube. Then you click on the edit button. Right down here you'll see there's a custom thumbnail section. So you can choose one of these as a thumbnail, which is just random frames from your video, or you can click custom thumbnail. You can actually upload any image, and then you just upload the image you just created and you're good to go. So that is the fastest way to create YouTube thumbnails with your headline in your image, which will massively improve your click-through rate. So it's a great way to sign up for Tube Tracker, create custom thumbnails without any graphic knowledge at all, and I will see you in the next video.